Revolut integrations allow you to connect your Revolut account with other services and applications to streamline your financial management and automate tasks. To get started with Revolut integrations, first, you need to understand the different types of integrations available, including API integrations, Zapier integrations, and direct integrations with popular services like Google Sheets and Slack. To integrate Revolut with other services, start by logging into your Revolut account and navigating to the Settings or Integrations section. From there, you can browse the available integrations and select the ones you want to connect. For example, you can connect Revolut with Google Sheets to automatically export your transaction data and create custom spreadsheets. When integrating Revolut with other services, it is essential to consider security and data privacy. Make sure to only connect with trusted services and review the permissions and access rights granted to each integration. You can also use two-factor authentication and monitor your account activity regularly to ensure the security of your data. To automate tasks with Revolut integrations, you can use Zapier or IFTTT to create custom workflows and recipes. For instance, you can create a Zap that automatically saves your Revolut receipts to Google Drive or sends a notification to Slack when a new transaction is made. Best practices for using Revolut integrations include regularly reviewing and updating your connected services, monitoring your account activity, and using strong passwords and two-factor authentication. By following these steps and best practices, you can harness the power of Revolut integrations to simplify your financial management and automate tasks. In conclusion, Revolut integrations offer a powerful way to connect your Revolut account with other services and applications, streamlining your financial management and automating tasks. By understanding the different types of integrations, considering security and data privacy, and using automation tools, you can unlock the full potential of Revolut integrations and take your financial management to the next level.